Hello, this is RICKY, the YouTube Tech Guy. Hey guys, so today I am very excited to bring you the unboxing of possibly the best camera phone and should be in the top 10 phones of the year. That is the Pixel 4. The Google Pixel 4 is a phone that I think we've all come to get excited about simply for the fact that this phone typically has the best camera every year. And this time I'm really excited for the camera quality. I've seen a lot of images from different reviewers and I cannot wait to test it out. Shout out to Google for sending me this device and I'm curious to see which one I got. So let's go ahead and open it and see. So I got the P4 right here. And so I did get the 4XL, it looks like, which I am happy about. I do typically like to review bigger screen devices, so I'm happy about that. Can't tell what these mean. Is that like a CL? I don't know. If you can decode these, let me know in the comment section. Oh, is it Google? It's totally Google, isn't it? Yes, it's Google. I decoded it. So there you go. Mystery solved, guys. So let's go ahead and test it out. And very curious. Now I heard that some people were kind of disappointed in the black version because, oh, perfect. Because the black version was a glossy one. Literally, this is the perfect one for me. I wanted this one so much. All of you guys know that my iPhone 11 Pro Max million is white. My Note 10 is white. Every smartphone that I'm getting this year, I not like this new white trend. And for me to get this one, this is the best color in my opinion. It is the white. I forget what Google calls this white color, but I will forever call it the Panda White because that was the original one. And I truly did love the two-tone of that. So, bam, there it is. Just a beautiful matte finish. This was the perfect one I could have asked for. Thank you so much, Google, for this. I like that color accent too, that just nice feel. It does feel nice in the hand. It's that frosted white glass, so it's not gonna show fingerprints. Definitely a thing I love about this year's phones. And yeah, I really like the way it looks. It does have a big forehead, so if you can't see that, it does have a big forehead. Let's go ahead and turn this on and see what we have inside. And also this little bottom box that Google sent me as well. So looks like we have, you know, USB stuff, SIM card removal and kit in here. And we have a USB Type-C to A adapter, so an OTG cable, Type-C to Type-C, and a power brick. I'm wondering, does this one charge faster than before? No, it's still a 15-watt charge, so it's 50-watt charge power brick. And yeah, I don't know if that's any faster. I think that was the same as last year. I think it's interesting that Google didn't kind of opt to go for a faster charge since that's kind of the trend this year. But I will say that I still love Google for going wireless charging. I would choose that over other companies' fast charge any day of the week. So I'm very glad that we have this, and I really just love this design. I'm so happy I got this color. I was hoping, but I wasn't sure if I would, so very happy I got it. It's so funny because all of these phones now are really making me second guess my power and my volume. So Google has it on the right side, but I've been used to Samsung, which has it on the left side, and they have like the volume rocker power, and they have the power volume rocker, so like, I never know where buttons are anymore, I feel like. But overall, I am happy that we're getting this really, I mean, so out of all the complaints we got last year, guys, as you know, I famously did not get the 3XL because of the notch. I did not like it. I chose to go with the 3 throughout the year. And I like that I have this now so that, you know, it's really a bigger screen, a bigger battery, and I'm okay with the forehead. I do wish it was a little bit smaller, but this face scanning is supposed to be amazing, especially with the radar. So this has a radar, so that basically as soon as I have my hand like here, it would already detect that I'm going to pick it up and start scanning my face. And by the time I would lift it up, it would be scanned. We will be checking that out in a first impressions in a few seconds. So let's go ahead and get everything else out of here. And let's go ahead and check out what is this. So we also got a case, which is really cool. Ooh, it's like a, I want to say what kind of pattern this is like. It's like a 3D mesh kind of thing. It's like a fabric. You know what it reminds me of? The Google Home Minis. That's what it reminds me of. Or now I guess it's the Nest Mini. But yeah, and you have that orange to match this one. Let's go see how it fits. You know, I'm gonna keep this on for now just because I always like to have a case on my phone, but I definitely want to get a nice clear case because I love the idea of showing this white off. Love the panda effect. Has a very interesting way to do the volume rocker, I will say, because it's kind of like, you can kind of feel it, but it all feels like one button, not separated as much, so to each their own, but the power button definitely feels good. Let's go ahead and set this up and let me give you my first impressions on this device. All right, guys, all set up and ready to go. Did the whole transfer from my Pixel 3, and I have to say, Google, you made me so happy. Okay, so really set it up, like the way I look. I customize my look for it, so you can customize in the theme. So that's a really nice new touch that I just kind of played around with immediately. Now, the thing I will say though that Google made me so happy with, guys, so happy with. I really have to test it out for the review, but man, this is something no one was talking about. And I kept asking MKBHD, Mr. Mobile, all the ones that I follow. I'm just like, guys, can you tell me if this is a new feature from the Pixel 3? And I can now say video, 1080p at 60 frames per second. This was not on the Pixel 3 for the entire time I used it. I just wanted it. I only filmed video like the one you're seeing right now in 1080p at 60 frames per second. And I didn't use the Pixel 3 for that reason. This by itself is my big reason to change from the Pixel 3 to the Pixel 4. Of course, there's so many more other reasons, but this I am so excited for. This will be a daily driver just for this reason alone. I'm so excited to see how the Pixel 4 does in video quality, and that will come in the full review. Make sure to check it out. And of course, there's all these hidden features that I've already found on this phone. Really some unique ones. So this is a big one though. This is the one that I was just so excited to finally see. I can't tell you how, I will say, kind of look at each one of these because each one has like its own thing. So that is just a tip for the hidden feature section. That is definitely a cool feature. All right, guys, I cannot wait to go over everything in the full review, but Google, you made me so happy. I just want to say thank you so much. I got the really nice looking case. I got the best looking panda color you can get in this phone. And I have 1080p at 60 frames per second recording. Oh my God, I love you. It's just so great. I'm so excited about this. I cannot wait to go ahead and test this out tonight and test this out for the next couple weeks because that is a feature I wanted so bad. The fact that I got it now made me so happy. All right, guys, let me know what you want to see from this phone. Of course, we're going to compare it to the iPhone 11 and the Note 10 in camera quality, in video quality, and everything else. Can't wait to test it out. Thank you so much again, Google, for sending us this device. We will definitely test it out to its fullest extent. Thank you guys always so much for watching. This has been RICKY, the YouTube Tech Guy. Thank you for watching our video. If you liked it, why don't you go ahead and subscribe up there. Make sure you follow us on social media right here. And of course, check out our latest video up there. And right down here, you're going to find the perfect video for you. Or at least that's what YouTube tells me. Thanks again.